Today, we will see an effective home remedy made from different herbs called as Kasantak Churna. This remedy is very effective in treating cough and cold in children. It can be given to children between the age group of 2 to 5 years old. Let's see the ingredients and its benefits to make this mixture. Amla. Amla has a high concentration of natural antioxidants and vitamin C. Amla as a strengthening agent that strengthens the immune system by nourishing the tissues. It also gently removes the toxins. Haradki. Haradki or harad is an Ayurvedic herb. Haradki is also known as the king of medicines, and it serves remarkable health benefits such as it prevents hair loss, helpful in constipation, prevents cough and cold, and so on. Haradki is considered as the ultimate remedy for all sorts of respiratory troubles. Beheda. Beheda is also known as Bibitaki in Sanskrit, which means the one that keeps away from diseases. Beheda is beneficial in relieving cough and cold symptoms due to its antimicrobial and anti-allergic properties. Taking Beheda powder along with honey helps relieve cough as it improves immune system. Beheda Churna is an effective home remedy to improve digestion. Sunti or dry ginger is a common spice used worldwide. Sunt is used as an antioxidant. It is used to treat coughs, bacterial infections, stomach disorders, and headaches. Sunti improves the cardiovascular system and also keeps the respiratory system in tune. It increases the appetite, aids digestion, and also serves as a detoxifying agent. Pipli. Pipli is a Sanskrit name for long pepper. Pipli is an effective herb in managing cough and cold. Pipli controls cough, releases mucus, clears air passages, thus allowing the patient to breathe freely. This is because Pipli has decongestant, bronchodilator, and expectorant effects due to its kapha balancing properties. It is also used for lung problems including asthma, bronchitis, and cough. Black pepper. Black pepper powder is used as a common seasoning ingredient to add a punch of spiciness to any dish. It also acts as a potent antioxidant in the body, fighting the damaging effects of free radicals and lowering the inflammation associated with oxidative stress. This is an excellent natural remedy for cold. Black pepper is not preferred to treat diarrhea. As we have seen the ingredients and its benefits, let's look at the measurements required to prepare Kasantak Churna. Take 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of amla powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of haradki powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of beheda powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of sunti powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of pipli powder, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Now take a bowl and add all these ingredients along with the measurements given to make this concoction. Mix these ingredients well. This is how the concoction should look like. Store it in an airtight container. Now let's prepare the Kasantak Churna. Add 2 grams of the stored mixture and mix it with 5 ml or 1 teaspoon of honey. Kasantak Churna is ready. This can be kept at room temperature for 12 hours. Kasantak Churna can be given to children 2 times a day. Thank you.